students, Unit 2 web applications for computer students, especially for class 9th and 10th. Very important chapter for the board exam. Dear students, I hope all of you are enjoying online videos. Work hard and ask your query by typing your question in the comment box. So dear students, in the web applications 2, session 1, working in this chapter actually has 8 sessions. Session 1, working with accessibility option, it means to say how can you access your keyboard, mouse, shortcut whenever your touchpad or the keypad or the numeric keypad is not working. In the keyboard, there is a numeric keypad. If the numeric keypad is not working, or if the mouse is damaged, how could you work? If the mouse is get damaged, you can convert your numeric keypad into the mouse. Or you can also set the click event timing or decrease or increase. And also you can change the setting of the keyboard by opening the sticky key on to open or to direct giving the shortcut commands. Session 2, networking fundamental, how data transfer from one server to another server, one server to client, how can a computer become a server, what are the difference between the client and server, what is the gateway, what is the default gateway, what is the router, protocols, these all things this actually session 2 have. Fundamentals, networking fundamental, it means how can we access data from the ISP, internet service provider company will provide us the facility to run the internet on the computer. What is the modem, modulation to modulation, convert digital signal to analog or analog to digital. Third one, the introduction to instant messaging, how could you transfer message from one system to another system. Dear students, you know very well that nowadays a very big important device you are using. The device name is mobile device. I am also making this video with the help of mobile. So mobile device, it means that it is using the instant messaging. Either you are sending message through email or ICQ software or WhatsApp or Facebook or Messenger. So this is very important, instant messaging software or instant relay chat, how it is work. Next one is the chatting with the contact Google Talk. Now it is very important. With the help, we can make our account on the Gmail, Google, and Google Talk. We can call through the Google Talk. Also we can do audio and video conferencing, and also talk with our relative by seeing him. So this is the Google Talk. Also we can make the Google Drive. We can store large amount of data. We can store 25 GB data free on net. If you have no storage capacity in your computer, then you can store 25 GB data on net in your Google Drive. Okay, and there is no need to make a separate password. The password you have in your email ID, that also have your Google Drive. So this is the Google Talk. Session 5, creating and publishing a web page. How a website is creating. What is the role of HTML? What is the HTTP? How the page is connected to the server? How will you publish your page on the internet? Steps to creating a website. What is plagiarism? Anything else? To session 6, using offline blog editor. We know that blogging is blog. This one actually on the internet. Many of the celebrities put their information in their blog. People are follow them and get information about them. But the offline blogs are the main important, because you think you have learned about the mail merge option in the MS Word. That is like the blog. You write a single message and send to multiple person. You have no internet connection, then you can create your message in your system. Whenever you get connection, you send a message. So this is the offline blog editor. Session 7, online transaction. It is very important nowadays. Our PM and the CM also says that we have to pay each and everything in digitally. We are just living in digital India, so we have to do our transaction through online, like Paytm or many more. YONO app, SBI Lite, many more apps are running. You are purchasing anything else online or offline. You can also make your payment digitally in the malls, in the shops, in the market. So students, online transactions are very important nowadays. You want to recharge your mobile phone, nowadays you have no need to go on shop. You can recharge through mobile phone, online transactions. Okay. So nowadays, before some time we have a need of the ATM, but nowadays there is no need of ATM. We can make transaction only some of the passports. Such as internet security, it is major issue nowadays. If there is a loose in security, anybody hacker or cracker can steal your data. So internet security means to provide the security to your system so that data may be secure. So dear student, this is the channel, this is the system, how the data is transferred with the help of modem, with the help of ISPs to the other system. Here is the sender is sitting here, here is the receiver is sitting here. How the data is sending from one system to another system? It means to say, it is the sender computer, then data goes into the modem, it converts a digital to analog signal, and analog signal goes into the towers, which is known as the ISP. Suppose it is Geo, it is BSNL, it is Idea. So it transfers the data to the receiver, nearest receiver tower, and it sends the modem so that analog signal convert into the digitally, and digital signal goes to the modem of the receiver signal. So this all process takes place instantly, within a second. So dear students, this is a very important topic in this chapter. Please pay your attention. Okay. Thank you students. If you have query, then ask me. In the next chapter, we will discuss about some important topics, some important terms related to this chapter.